Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by testing an unseen spot to avoid damage, then heat the sticker edges. Use a hairdryer or heat gun at low power. This softens adhesive so the sticker lifts. Once warmed for 20-30 seconds, use a plastic card at a low angle to lift a corner. Don't pry with metal. If the edge resists, reapply heat and work slowly. This combination of heat and a blunt wedge prevents surface gouges and reduces residue left behind. Once the sticker film is off, you'll tackle remaining adhesive. Apply adhesive remover or 70-90% isopropyl alcohol to a cloth. A few drops are enough. Rub in circular motions while holding the surface warm if possible, because warmth keeps residue pliable. Use a plastic scraper to lift softened glue. Repeat solvent application and rubbing until no tack remains. Make sure to rinse with mild soap and water to remove solvent traces, then dry thoroughly to inspect for lingering film. You'll finish by gently polishing the area to restore gloss and remove micro residue. Use a microfiber cloth and a non-abrasive cleaner. If sticky spots persist, reapply solvent or switch to a citrus-based or oil-based remover. Apply briefly, then clean. For painted or delicate finishes, avoid prolonged solvent exposure. Instead, alternate heat and gentle scraping. If you notice discoloration, peeling, or surface damage, stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.